Greetings of the day and welcome to Food and Beverage Service lecture series. Topic for today is German wines. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rajeshri S. Pol and I am a hotel management faculty and enthusiastic learner of wines, liqueurs, spirits and cocktails. The presentation design is as follows. Introduction to Germany, Introduction to German wines, Popular German wine regions, Grape varieties, German wine classification, How to read a German wine label, Wine service, and a quiz. Germany is known for its history, architecture, and along holds a great winemaking production. A fascinating country with well-known cuisine, music legends such as Beethoven and Mozart. But still, German wineries are known all over the world. Germany produces the loveliest, lightest, most delicate white wines in the world. Along the Rhine River, in the west of Germany, steep vineyards were planted decades ago, and some finest of German wines are produced there. The steep vineyards protected the vines from strong winds and help in getting good amount of sunlight. The longer the grapes stay on the vine, the riper, more aroma, flavor is found in the grape. The degree of ripeness at the harvest time determines the quality category of German wine. Germany's top wine producing regions are is the northwest wine growing region and is a smaller wine region. Its red wines in particularly are appreciated well beyond the region borders. Baden is southernmost and the third German wine growing region. Franken is the home of Bocksbeutel, the flat round shaped bottle with a short neck. Around 80% of Franken vineyard area is planted with white varietals. Sylvaner is the classic Franconian grape. Mittelrhein is the spectacular stretch of the Rhine River. The character of the wine is influenced primarily by the weathered slate soil. Moselle is considered the oldest German wine growing region. Riesling in particular thrives in the slaty soil of the Moselle. Na, situated in between Moselle and Rhine, is Germany's medium-sized wine-growing region. Württemberg is a southern wine region known for broad range of red varietals. Rheinpfalz is one of Germany's largest region, second only to Rhine-Hessen. This place has large number of small family operated wine estate and renowned large family operated wine estates. This is Germany's largest red wine region. Rheingau. It has highest percentage of Riesling, nearly 80%. Grapes can fully ripen here due to the structure of soil and optimal climate along Rhine. Rheinhessen is the largest wine growing region of Germany. The climatic conditions for viticulture are optimal. Great number of grape varieties are cultivated here. The proportion of white to red variety is 70 to 30%. Rheinhessen is Germany's largest red wine region. Most of the classic German wine regions are closely identified with river valley, the slopes of which provide proper exposition for ripening of grapes. Germany's best wines come from Riesling grape, but there are several exceptions like the fine Gewürztraminer and Sylvaner. Now let's see Germany's wine classification system. German wines are divided into quality wines and table wines. The quality wines should have sugar level designation QMP. This is top tier of German wines. Qualitätswein mit Prädikat. The Prädikat categories: Kabinett, made from fully ripened grapes, picked at normal harvest time. Wines from Kabinett grapes are dry. Spätlese, late harvest, made from riper grapes, picked at later stage in harvest. More intense flavor and concentration, but not necessarily sweet wines. Auslese, harvest of selected very ripe grapes, picked at later stage, more intense in bouquet and taste. Bur Auslese, very select harvest, rare wines made from individually selected overripe grapes. These wines are remarkably rich, sweet, dessert wines. Tockenburg Auslese, dry berry select harvest, the rarest wines made from individually selected overripe grapes that are dried almost to resin on the vine. Rich, sweet, luscious, honey-like wines are made from this grape category. Ice wine, made from grapes as ripe as Bur Auslese that have frozen on the vine. Qualitätswein Bestimmter Anbaugebiet QBA is Germany's second tier of quality wine and means literally a quality wine from specific region. These wines can be chaptalized. A QBA wine must be made in any one of Germany's official wine regions, of which Moselle is the most famous. Tafelwein and Deutscher Landwein. These are German table wines made from normal ripe grapes. Usually, Tafelwein and Deutscher Landwein are not exported by Germany. Example of a ice wine which is made from grapes that are harvested and pressed in frozen state. These are some different types of German wine bottles. The first picture is of a Riesling dry wine made in Rhine-Pfalz region. In the second picture, there is a Auslese quality wine made in Rheingau. The third picture is of German sparkling wine, Sekt. It is a sparkling wine of Germany. It must have existing alcohol content of about 10% by volume and a CO2 pressure of at least 3.5. Sekt or sparkling wine of Germany taste best when they are served chilled, around 6 to 10 degrees Celsius temperature. Now we will see German wine labels. This picture is a hand-drawn German wine label with all the details. Well, a German wine label is highly informative. The label indicates producer's name, location, wine sweetness, grape variety, ripeness of the grape when harvested, name of the village, vineyard the grapes collected from, whether the wine was bottled by winery or some third party. After successful 3-stage testing, the German quality wines are assigned with certification number. It is called as AP number or Amtliche Prüfungsnummer. In all, a German wine label will have following details: village, vineyard, grape variety, Pradikat category, vintage year, producer's name, estate, AP number, region, and alcohol content. Serving wine at correct temperature helps achieve optimal wine pleasure. A Sekt or sparkling wine from Germany should be served at 8 to 10 degrees Celsius temperature. A white wine is good at 9 to 11 degrees Celsius temperature. Rosé wine can be served at 9 to 13 degrees Celsius temperature. Red wine is good at 14 to 18 degrees Celsius temperature. It is also important to create good partnership between food and wine. There should be balance between body and richness as well as the intensity of aroma and flavor of food and wine. If possible, wine and food should be served at the same time. To summarize the session, Germany produces some excellent white and sweet wines. There are around 13 official wine regions in Germany. QMP, Qualitätswein mit Prädikat, is top-tier quality designation of German wines. Germany exports QMP and QBA wines. I have planned a small quiz for you students, the link for which will be available in the description box below. Vielen Dank. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any questions, mail me at rajeshrispol@gmail.com. Have a good life.